rent-seeking, ibig sabihin corruption, and a political and economic elite that has the propensity to resist change. Eh natural, mayaman na kasi sila. Ayaw nilang baguhin yan. Bakit pa nila baguhin? Sila na nakaitaas sa ating lahat. That is why they are so bitter against me. Because they know that I know what they are doing, and I know my law. That is why there is a black propaganda campaign against me all the time that I'm in politics. Because I have to be removed. Ang gusto nila, yung hindi nakakaintindi. At tatanggap na lang ng kaparte. Yun, maligaya sila doon. Pero kung mag-ingay ka at mukhang naintindihan mo kung anong ginagawa nila, galit na sila sa iyo, dami ng black propaganda ng lilitaw. Yan ang problema natin. It is the elite that is choking the Filipino middle class and, needless to say, the lower class.